this area in here. Remember, it flares laterally. We have the pterygoid fossa, which is the indentation. And then we have, and this finally looks like a little thumb-like structure. That's the hamulus. Remember I said it's kind of like a little thumb-like structure sticking up? Well, there it is. There's the pterygoid hamulus. So now all of those, the wing, the fossa, and the hamulus are all part of the sphenoid bone. We then have up here, we went over the palatine bones, and specifically these are going to be the horizontal plates of the palatine bones. You can't really see the sutures up here. We just kind of have to trust that that's where the separation is, or the sutures are. And then here we have parts of the maxillary bone, so these are going to be the palatine plates of the maxillary bones. While we're looking here, this opening here is the postnasal aperture. What separates the postnasal aperture into two halves, left and right, is this. This is the vomer. In this case, you see only the vomer. When you look from the front, we see the vomer and the perpendicular plate. There's the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid, and here's the vomer down on the bottom. If I put my pipe cleaner in about in here, everything above the pipe cleaner is going to be the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid, and what's below it is going to be the vomer. So you can see how they come down and make contact with one another. Last thing to show you, there's the inferior concha right here, and up in here is the middle concha. Now the middle concha on that side is pretty well broken out, but we can see the inferior concha right there.
They're really thin.
Any questions? Okay.